What if I told you there is a spiritual book where no rules are imposed, no religion is preached, no belief is demanded? Only 112 direct doorways to enlightenment. This ancient text is called Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, a dialogue between Shiva and Shakti, where Shiva reveals 112 meditation techniques for every type of human being. We have talked about this in our previous video. In this video, we will find a meditation here made just for you. Stay with me till the end because one of these techniques might change your life forever. Why 112 techniques? Because human beings are different. Some connect through breath, some through sound, some through love, some through silence, some through fear, some through joy. Shiva says, use what already exists within you. Categories of the 112 techniques. Let's explore them simply and practically. Breath awareness techniques. Shiva gives many techniques using breath because breath is always with you. Watching the gap between inhalation and exhalation, feeling the pause after breath goes in, feeling the pause after breath goes out. These gaps are doorways to silence. Key teaching: when breath stops, thought stops. Body awareness techniques. Some techniques involve pure sensation. Feel tingling in hands, focus on inner heat or cold, observe bodily vibrations. You don't control the body, you witness it. Witnessing itself becomes meditation. Sound and mantra techniques. Not chanting for belief, but for vibration. Listening to inner sound, letting sound dissolve into silence, using humming or subtle mantra. Sound leads you and then disappears. What remains is awareness. Visualization techniques. Shiva uses imagination not as fantasy but as focus. Visualize infinite sky inside heart. Imagine light filling the spine. Visualize body dissolving into space. When form disappears, formless is revealed. Emotion-based techniques. This is revolutionary. Shiva says, even desire, anger, love, fear can be meditation. Be totally aware while feeling love, observe fear without escaping, enter desire consciously without suppression. Anything lived with awareness becomes a path. Stillness and void techniques. Some techniques are extremely subtle. Sit silently between two thoughts, focus on emptiness, rest in I am without definition. No effort, no doing, just being. The most important message of Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. Shiva does not say, control the mind, fight thoughts, escape the world. Shiva says, awareness is enough. Whatever arises, breath, thought, emotion, sensation, observe it fully. That observation itself is liberation. How to practice? Don't try all 112 techniques. That creates confusion. Choose one that feels natural. Practice it gently. No force, no expectation. Even one technique practiced sincerely is enough because it doesn't ask you to believe, it asks you to experience. Vigyan Bhairav Tantra is not ancient, it is timeless. These 112 techniques are not methods, they are mirrors. Choose one mirror, and you may discover you were never lost, you were never broken, you were always aware. If this video resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe to this channel for deeper spiritual wisdom. And remember, meditation is not something you do, meditation is something you remember. Om Namah Shivaya.